All right, DJ Carlos Sonic here. It's party day time, baby. We're going to be on the Grand Princess, providing the sound, the lighting, the DJs for 3 decks. And I'm going to give you guys a little tour right now of what this is. The all-white party. Beautiful affair right here. I'm going to take you on a tour. Come on, let's go. This is the first deck. There is nothing going on. I'm going to go up the stairs. We'll go up the stairs. To deck 2, where this is where they're going to be serving the dinner. The buffet dinner. And here, I got, right here on this deck, one of DJ Sonic Productions' own, very own, DJ RJ. He's going to be playing all this good stuff, mixing up the old and the new, and just vibing and doing the right thing. This is a beautiful ship. Beautiful ship.
I was happy as a lark. But now I go
Say something, RJ.
to the movies, maybe to the park. I have a seat on the
Yes, I did.
bench.
And she looked ugly. Let's go upstairs. This here is my deck. This is deck number 3. Yes. This here is my setup. I'm going to be rocking this deck number 3, but there's more. There's much more. I'm going to take you upstairs, and we're going to go to the top deck, where I have national recording artists, Andrew Cavor and his band up there, and the line dancing king DJ. Come on, let's go check it out. We're gonna go upstairs right now and check this out. We're on the Grand Princess, baby. And they are doing sound check right now. All right. That's Andre Cavor, national recording artist. He's going to be jamming out with his band right here on the top deck of the Grand Princess. Check it out. All right. All right, beautiful. There I have Ricardo Rivera from Professional Productions, doing all the sound, all the instrumentation here on the top deck for this great band, for Andre Cavor. It's going to be a beautiful event. It's going to be nice. As the diplomat landing. Beautiful Hollywood, Hallandale Beach, Florida, baby. Yes.